I generated this video from a simple text in just a few clicks with the help of AI, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you guys can do this in a few easy steps. So let's dive into the video. First of all, we are going to generate a text prompt for our video. For that, I will be using ChatGPT. Then we will convert our text prompts into amazing videos. Let's generate some text prompts. For that, I'm going to use AI PRM for ChatGPT free Chrome extension, which will make the task faster and easier. You will get these text prompts in the description below. And if you need help how to connect the AI PRM Chrome extension with ChatGPT, then you can tell in the comments section, and I will make a tutorial on that. So I'm going to give it a simple keyword like a smiling beautiful girl in a wheat field. So these are the few text prompts that it has generated. So I'm going to select one of them. I'm going to simply copy this text prompt. Now to convert our text into this animation style video, I'm going to use Genmo AI, so simply go to the Google search and type Genmo AI. Type on the first link, as you can see. Now simply copy and paste the text prompt that you want to convert into video. So let us say I'm going to paste this text prompt and click on Submit. Just wait for it 20-30 seconds. So our video is generated, and you can see this is an amazing video. It has been generated with the exact prompt description that we provided, and this is by far the most realistic text-to-video generator that I have come across. On the prompt box here, you can see we have a few options to filter and add some presets to our videos. Okay, so this is the video that it generated. So that's it from this video. And if you guys find this video helpful, like it, and I'll see you in the next video.